I think the events are organized nicely to give a balance of getting information and networking. I enjoy meeting customers, but also the supply base. It's a great chance to find new connections. There are a couple of suppliers at previous conferences that we are pursuing business together. The ability to be flexible in helping to solve problems together, that's our biggest need, and I think it's the place where a supplier can be probably most successful. So one of the main reasons I'm here is to meet potential supplier partners, because my day-to-day routine doesn't allow me the luxury of having conversations with prospective supplier partners, because cold calls are not very productive. This is a chance to meet in person, to understand capabilities firsthand. Maybe not. If I'm looking for a specific supplier, there are industry groups that I can check with, but honestly, it's difficult to make a connection that's reliable by just almost randomly choosing. And this provides a setting where difficult questions can be asked and answered. I think that's probably the main feature there. Otherwise, very difficult.